microwave?
Yes! So we obviously need Baconator 5000.
9000.
9000.
2.0. Baconator 9000 2.0.
What store do we have to go to? What's the name of it?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Damn, you got it right.
Winner.
I found the Bath & Body Works earlier. So we're gonna buy it. We're gonna do our thing. Follow us. Come on.
Come with us.
It's here.
It's here. They have it. The Baconator 9000.
This is it, guys.
Let's go.
This is it. Have you ever made bacon in the microwave?
I've never used this,
okay.
but I have.
How do you do it?
How did I do it? Paper towels.
Oh, really?
But it takes a lot of paper towels.
We need the bacon.
There's many
You
to
can never go wrong with the naturally hardwood smoked.
We have everything we need. Seeing our way out of here.
Just let Bath & Body Works. No.
That was it. That's a song. We have the Baconator 9000 2.0 edition,
It says that it cooks up to 14 slices.
which is pretty good.
So,
How are we gonna use this without
I don't
any
know.
bacon?
I know.
So,
Aiden, go get the bacon, please.
as we slowly open this, Bacon 9000 2.0 edition. Whoa, looks fancy. So let's go wash our hands.
We're gonna be right back. Here's the bacon.
Oh.
Let me show you guys really quick what they mean. So you grab this part, and you do it on top like that.
They can't see it.
They could.
So we're just doing the same thing. We have that. 1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So we got 11,
How long
guys.
do we have? How long do we leave it in? 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay. Let's wash our hands.
What? We didn't even do anything.
Oh, okay.
Here
We don't have to wash it.
our hands, cause we didn't do anything.
Now we're gonna put the bacon in the microwave.
Here's all the bacon in line.
Whoa! Oh snap! Oh yeah, we got the bacon.
7 minutes and 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
So that was it. That was 7 minutes and how many?
45 seconds.
So
Bacon is
did it
done.
work?
Let's
find
see.
out. Open it up.
Da, da, da. I can hear it sizzling.
Oh, it looks like it worked. The only thing I would recommend is you probably want to clean
up.
this right after. Let's take it out.
A lot of grease.
Careful, see if it's hot.
Alright, watch out, guys.
Product may be hot after. Is it hot? Is it hot?
Oh!
Damn it! That scared the crazy out of me. Is it hot?
No.
Damn, that looks good.
That's it. I mean, Aiden, what do you think? Did it work?
I'm pretty sure. Let's eat one.
Aiden, don't touch the fat.
Don't touch that fat.
Hey!
Don't
Okay,
touch
I'm gonna
that
take a
fat.
fat.
Here,
fat.
take
Oh,
He's
it feels
afraid. He's afraid of hot. Here,
Okay.
I'll
a
take.
little baby bite.
dude, not so.
Dude, your hair's gonna get all over the bacon, man. Bacon, man. Bacon, man. Bacon, man. What do you think?
I don't know if it's just the ends, but that's really crispy.
All right.
Not too crispy. It's still got some, nice taste in it, but it's really good.
He went ahead and tried the
Baconator
Wave.
9000 2.0 edition.
I think it worked. I think it looked pretty
It
good.
tastes really good.
I don't know. What do you think, Aiden?
It's hot. Who
So-
doesn't like bacon?
That's it.
Peace out, guys.
To make
Bacon.
in the microwave. Omaha, right next to McDonald's. We just passed it a couple seconds ago.
Damn. Damn, that was good.
Yeah.